Hi, everyone. I am Leloashia Taylor, a family law practitioner here in Greenland, Louisiana. I practice in other areas of law, but specifically today, I would like to address child custody during COVID-19. If you or maybe someone you know shares physical custody of a child or exercises visitation of a child through a court order, chances are that the shutdown in COVID-19 has made sharing custody or exercising visitation much more difficult. And it seems that the primary concern is that maybe one parent is not exercising the same level of safety or precaution as another parent may be exercising. Or it may be that the primary custodian or domiciliary parent feels that it's safer to keep the child in at one residence as opposed to exchanging the child from residence to residence. And the questions that I've been getting, the main questions that I've been getting are, can I refuse to abide by the custody order during this shutdown, during this COVID-19 pandemic? Or can I file a motion for contempt against a parent that is refusing to allow me to exercise my custody or visitation? And I'm assuming it's due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And there are no simple answers, to these questions. So this is what I will say. If ever there were a time for two parents to come together and communicate, now would be that time, especially because the COVID-19 pandemic has produced very unique circumstances. And so if the lines of communication are open and both parents are reasonable, then come together, communicate on how you will deal with custody and visitation during this pandemic. And chances are, if you can come together and agree, then there will be no need for court action. And I would just say that if you do come to a verbal agreement, maybe get it in text, in writing through text or email. Now, I do understand that not all cases are as simple as coming together and communicating. The courts right now, they're taking an emergency cases first approach to custody matters, and other custody matters are being scheduled for a later date. So emergency custody would encompass issues like child abuse, child neglect, and they are also hearing cases where you feel that the child is in imminent danger due to coronavirus. Maybe a parent has contracted the virus. They are also taking cases of that sort. You do have to file in court, and while courts are closed to physical traffic, they are open for online filing, they're open to fax filing, and mail-in filing of pleadings. There are forms online at your court-specific website, and these forms, maybe you need a protective order or emergency custody order. If the situation is dealing with abuse or neglect, those forms are available online. And so it is best for you to, instead of taking matters into your own hands, defer to the court system. It's been my experience that courts are making the tough decisions, and they're making those decisions at times the same day, and if not the same day, a day later. So definitely seek out the courts. You don't need an attorney to file a protective order or an emergency custody orders. As I've said, these forms are available online. And if there are costs associated with the emergency custody orders, these costs can be temporarily waived through a pauper application. And those forms are available online as well. Now, just a quick note, the Pro Bono Project does not accept custody disagreements such as these I've mentioned here. For legal advice and services, you may need to hire an attorney. To find an attorney in your region, visit www.lsba.org. Again, that website is www.lsba.org. If you cannot afford an attorney and choose to represent yourself, your local court may have materials to assist you. Visit www.louisianalawhelp.org to find a self-help resource center near you. I hope this information was helpful. Everybody, please stay safe.